Just one ingredient is going to change your hair game, and this is rice water. Most of you have rice, not even just most of you, everybody have rice in their house, and people are sleeping on hair growth that comes from rice water. Rice water contains inositol, which is responsible for growing out your hair, and it has been known for decades, right? So if you want your hair to be really long, luscious, dark like this, then stay tuned. All you need is rice. This is the measurement I'm using, like quarter cup of rice. Wash it rigorously to get rid of any form of dirt till it is clean as you see in this video. Ensure that you rinse out any form of debris from your rice. Once you are done, pour 1 cup of water into the bowl, and you are going to rigorously rub this between your palms so that you can bring out all the starch, all the inositol that you need for your hair from this rice. So ensure that you are ready to rub it in between your palms. But before that, you need to soak it for like 30 to 45 minutes. After soaking it, then you start rubbing in between your palms as you see me do in this video. You can even incorporate using 2 of your palms to get the best result. So once you are done, you will just strain this mixture. We just need the rice water itself. The rice, you can cook it or use it for whatever you want. It is definitely up to you. So moving on, this is what we have. This is the rice water. We're going to transfer it into this transparent container so that you can see it clearly. This would actually grow out your edges, your bald spots, any form of receding hairline that you have. You can try out this rice water. Apply it 3 times weekly and see a difference. Don't forget to moisturize after each use. So this is the gold in the bottle. Ensure that you do yours and use it today. So for easy application, I'm going to transfer this mixture into a spray bottle in which the nozzle is very effective for spraying around my edge line, my scalp, everywhere I need it to be. So I'm going to transfer it into the spray bottle. If you have any other spray bottle other than this, feel free to use it. So this is it. Ensure you always shake before each use so that any form of residue that would have settled that will help your hair out, you will just shake everything into the mixture. So this is how I apply it on my scalp. I ensure that my scalp is fully saturated with this rice mixture. Ensure that you follow every single part of your hair, your edge line, your scalp line. Just always spray and massage as you go, and also extend it to the tip of your hair as you see me do. Massage it so that the products can absorb and do a better job. So this is it on my protective style, and I'll leave it till wash day. So as you can see, you don't need to break the bank to actually get recipe or remedy that will actually grow out your hair. Rice water is very easy to do. It's very nice to finally do and use it on your hair for hair growth. So as you can see, my hair is looking so dark, luscious, it's looking thicker, it's looking well moisturized, everything you can think of. So if you want your hair to be like this or even much more than you see in this video, incorporate just one ingredient that is sitting in your kitchen and get massive extreme hair growth. I remain your favorite hair coach. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more easy tutorial like this on hair growth, hair care, what you need to do, what you need to avoid. And also, aside from applying rice water, always ensure that you have a very good routine. You ensure that you wash your scalp regularly, apply on a very clean scalp. You ensure that you deep condition on wash days, you use leave-in conditioner, and you use hair growth oil to seal in all the moisture. With consistency and the right routine, you are sure that you're going to get the best results on your hair. So as you can see me do, I am taking good care of my hair in this video. I'm just trying to detangle and whatnot. It is looking so luscious. So if you need a remedy or a recipe, don't forget that rice water is there for you. I'm sure majority of us eat rice, so it is not going to be hard to find. So if you're going to be trying it very soon, let us know in the comment section. If you've tried it out before, let us know. And as we know, the Yao women usually use it for their hair, so this is not an exception. Ensure that you save this video for next and share with your friend. Take care and have a nice day.